My YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing the ABC Gymnastics challenge because I feel like I should do it. So yeah guys, and I'm going to be giving you some tips on your back handsprings, which I kind of need to do some work on. So yeah, let's get right to it. I'm going to try to do an aerial. So yeah. So yeah, that's what I got. So B, back handspring. I need So yeah, get ready. Actually, I'm gonna do the back handspring on the couch. So yeah. Yeah, we're getting ready to move, so. So I can't really like do it, so I'm gonna do it in a bit. And back tuck. So I'm really working on that, but yeah, let's get to the next one, which is C. C is a cartwheel, so you know, I'm about to do a quick cartwheel in this hallway. Hope I don't. Can't really do it because I feel like I'm really scared. So next is D. Okay, so this was very difficult. So I'm about to do a front aerial. First, a handstand. Hold on, let me try that again. First, a handstand. Oh my God. Then a front walkover. And now a back walkover. And now a front aerial. That's not a front aerial. That's close enough. Round off. Hold on.
That was good.
You're not supposed to talk.
I'm crappy.
Another back handspring. Let's see how many I can do.
1.
That don't count.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh. 4. And oh shoot. Shoot.
You got this. That was good. I'm gonna put that body on me.
Hey, my back, Chuck.
Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. I'm in love and say oh, 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 oh.
Thank you.
I'm in love.
And bye. Hi guys, I'm not sure if you saw that, but I cracked my neck, so I need to go get some ice. But don't forget to like and subscribe and comment done. When you're done, and I might be giving a giveaway. So, yeah guys. Bye. And one more thing guys, don't forget to subscribe and do all those things. So, have a good day. Bye.